Why should I hire Acme Concrete Raising and Repair?
Simply put, our demand for excellence is unmatched by any of our competition. Our reputation speaks for itself. We have highest standards for customer service and perfectionists in the field doing these jobs. Our employees love what they do, and it shows. All of our employees are highly trained and certified installers. We developed the Smart Lift system to provide the best solution to settled concrete currently available, and we are Chicagoland's very first contractor to specialize specifically in polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization. To learn more about our company and what we can do for you, please do not hesitate to contact us. GoPro, stop recording.